Hello and welcome back to TKSBAR. I'm your host Tessa, and today we're going to be making a winter sangria. Today we're going to be making a winter sangria, and this is a super easy and quick winter sangria that you can just whip out whenever you want one, which will be every single day because sangria is the best thing ever. But the only thing that you're going to need that you're going to have to make beforehand or like right beforehand would be this chai syrup. And I'll give you a little backstory on why there's chai syrup in our winter sangria. I got this amazing sangria from a restaurant near me, and I had to ask what was in it, and they said it was a chai base. So I'm going kind of off of that. I don't know the exact recipe that they used, but this is just kind of what I've come up with that in mind, using a chai syrup base. So let's get straight into it. So chai syrup, I've got it right here. Obviously I'm on a bit of like a syrup craze recently, but basically you can make this. There's a really intense, complicated way of making chai because there's so many beautiful flavors, and you can buy the whole spices and mix those all together and then add sugar to that and make that into a syrup. But we're just going the easy way, and I just steeped down about a cup of water with 3 chai tea bags, and then I just strained out the tea bags and then added sugar afterwards, and I just got this nice chai syrup. And this is super easy for if you just want to throw together your sangria, you know? So obviously this is our sangria, and we are building it in the glass. So I'm gonna start by filling my glass like half full with ice. So we've got our glass half full with ice. Now we're just gonna add in kind of like our garnishes that go in the drink. So we're gonna add in some pomegranate seeds and some orange slices. I'm gonna be honest, this looks like really pretty just as it is, even though there's like no liquid in it. So I think we're off to a pretty good start. So this is on the sweeter side of sangria. You could bring down that amount of sugar if you took out a little bit of the chai syrup or some of the juices. But honestly, the whole reason why I drink sangria is because I like that it's sweeter than wine. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm putting in a full ounce of our chai syrup. Then we're doing half an ounce of our triple sec. Then a full ounce of our vanilla vodka. Half an ounce of our pomegranate juice. 2 ounces of cranberry juice. And then for our wine again, we've got the box because it's the cheapest wine in the house. But we've got, this is the Copper Moon Merlot, and we're going to do 3 ounces of this. And then I'm just going to add a little splash of club soda and give this a quick mix. So now that this is all mixed up, I'm actually going to add a little bit more ice just so it fills up to the top. And then we're gonna add a little bit of rosemary. So rosemary is awesome as a garnish for all of your winter drinks. I used it in my last video for the non-alcoholic drinks, so I'm gonna use it again in this one. So I'm just putting a little bit of that in there. Okay, so we've got our finished winter sangria here. There you go, so you can see the rosemary. And the last thing we have to do is just give this a taste, obviously. So let's go. So this is beautiful. This is really, really good. It is on the sweeter side, like I said before. So you could always bring these measurements of like juice and sugar down if you want it to be a little less sweet, or you can just bump up the amount of wine and the amount of soda that you put in to make it kind of like less sweet. Now, one other thing that I will say is that I would have liked to have put cranberries in here, but obviously I couldn't find any, so we just got pomegranate seeds instead. But this is a really nice sangria. I'm gonna taste it one more time just because I like it so much. Yeah, see, it tastes completely different from the one that we had made back in the summer because we've got these winter flavors coming through. I think the chai really works well with the wine, and I love that when you dip your head in to get a taste that you smell the rosemary right off the bat, and I think that's really a lovely touch. So yeah, if you like me and you like this channel, I would love it if you give me a like on this video and subscribe down below for more, and you can hit the bell if you want. Other than that, I'd love it if you leave me some feedback in the comments below, and if you get around to trying this, let me know in the comments below as well. I would love to hear it. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!